Rusty hiked 3 2/25 in the morning and 2 3/4 miles in the afternoon. How much farther did he hike in the morning than in the afternoon? Question 2. Franco worked the following number of hours during 1 week. How many hours did Franco work on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? Mrs. Young has 9 boys and 13 girls in her class. She plans on having a pizza party where each boy will get 2 slices and each girl gets 1 slice. If there are 12 slices per pizza, how many pizzas P will she need to order? Question 4. Mario is ordering snacks for the basketball team. Snacks come in boxes of 24. He needs enough snacks for 6 games. There are 15 players that get a snack at each game. Which equation can be used to find B, the number of boxes of snacks Mario will need to buy? Question 5. When given the numeric expression 5 times 57 minus 11 plus 2, which of the following would you do first to simplify the expression? Question 6. The ordered pairs for the points on the coordinate plane satisfy the equation y equals 7 5/10 times x. What missing value of y would complete the table below? Question 7. Which table below does not represent x and y as y equals x plus 6? Patty and her friend went out to eat lunch. They both ordered a drink for $1.75 and they shared a pizza for $11. The 2 girls shared the cost of the lunch equally. Patty used the expression below to calculate her cost. How much did Patty pay for her lunch? Question 9. What is the value of this expression? Question 10. Becky ate 3/4 of a sub sandwich. Sally ate 7/8 of a sub sandwich. How much did Sally and Becky eat combined? Question 11. Mandy has a 15-pound bag of dog food. She wants to feed her dog 1/5 of a pound every day. How many days will the bag last? Question 12. The table shows the number of visitors to national parks. The number of visitors for Yellowstone Park is missing. The number of visitors to Yellowstone is 104,872 less than Carlsbad Caverns. What is the total number of visitors to all 4 national parks? Question 13. McKinney High School swim team participated in the district swim competition. 3/4 of the 20 swimmers won their race. How many swimmers won their race? Question 14. The model below represents which equation? Question 15. The table shows the number of cupcakes made at the local bakery during 3 weeks in March. The number of cupcakes made in week 4 is represented by N. The total number of cupcakes made at the bakery in March was 54,528. Which equation represents this situation? Question 16. Jim earns 4 Pokemon cards every day for completing his homework. He writes the equation y equals 4 times x to find the total number of cards y he will have after completing his homework for different numbers of days x. Which table shows the total cards Jim will have after completing homework for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 days? Question 17. What is the quotient of 45/100 divided by 9? Question 18. Tara's teacher wrote the following numbers on the board. How many of the numbers are prime? Question 19. Mrs. Jones asked her class to determine if the table below represents an additive or multiplicative pattern. Which student below recognized the correct pattern and justified his or her thinking correctly? A. Jose said the table shows an additive pattern because x plus 24 equals y. B, Alan said the table shows an additive pattern because you add 7 to get from one y to the next y. C, Alyssa said the table shows a multiplicative pattern because you multiply each value of x by 7 to determine the value of y. D, Marisol said the table shows a multiplicative pattern because you multiply each value of x by 6 to determine the value of y. Question 20. Angelo has 4 pounds of ground beef. He wants to make hamburger patties that are each 1/4 of a pound. How many hamburger patties can he make? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles. Be sure to use the correct place value. You done already?